Hi everyone. I would like to begin my 8th video upload today with the concept clarity of, or rather, want to clarify how to write answers for your boards. Let it be class 10 boards, let it be class 12 boards, but the answers must be well presented. It should be compact, they should be precise, and still they should not lag any kind of points. First of all, let me talk about English. English is such a subject which is also a language. To master it is not a child's play. You must learn to write answers which should exactly go by the point, and you should not beat around the bush. You should not begin your answers with when, because, thus, therefore, and especially no usage of pronouns. Stop using words in such a fashion which will resemble the answers to be more of science and social studies like, rather than any language. So you must focus upon to write your answers by framing a brief introduction. If the answers are meant to be of 40 words or 50 words, kindly exceed only till 60. Don't go beyond that. Try to remain to the point in your answers. If you only know the proper meaning of the words, then only use it. Else, ignore it. Else, avoid it. Do not use any words which do not fit in that proposition, in that situation. And for social studies and science, the answers must be in points. The point must be underlined with the help of your pen. Do not use any highlighters or markers. Then briefly in 2 to 3 lines try to explain that point. Nobody is going to read Ramayana or Mahabharata in your answer sheets, because the examiners have a lot of answer scripts to check in a very short span of time. In mathematics, please draw rough columns in each and every page, because you will be needing it any moment. Suddenly you don't start in the middle of the page the construction of a rough column or anything like that, and underline after each and every sentence. Moreover, in Hindi or in Bengali, try to use a good introduction. Use pure Hindi words rather than the way you converse. Focus on the gender, pulling, striling, where you should write hogi or hoga. If you cannot, then try to use hona chahiye instead of hoga hogi. So let's now proceed to class 12 English or class 11-12 English papers answers, how to frame them. Use advanced vocabulary, use advanced words of English. Let it be a bit more than what you used to write in class 10. Focus on a story-like introduction. But again, don't use when, because, thus, therefore, and a pronoun at the beginning of the answer. In economics, business studies, go by the point. There is no need of any introduction over there, as much as I know. Focus on what has been asked. Instead of focusing on introduction, directly go to the point. And point wise, try to write the answers just the way you have been writing answers in social studies and science. Wherever possible in economics, try to draw the graph and mention the x-axis and the y-axis, what does it denote for. That's all for today. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe and focus on all the points that I told you. Thank you.